Hello Transformation. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 beautiful lip combos for Thanksgiving that you guys should wear or should just try for fun. So I'm doing this stripe looking one, as you guys can see the picture down below. It's kind of giving the candy lips a little bit. So I'm using my face paint to do this because I didn't have the actual lipsticks to achieve these colors. So I have white, a red, and a yellowish gold color. So I'm just outlining certain spots of red. So I am looking on my phone in front of me of this picture. So I want to make sure that I have the angle right in the colors. So I'm going to go in now with a different color, as you guys can see. So I'm going to use my color white. So I'm kind of going to put like right next to the red. So I am trying my best to get it exactly like the lip colors. So, you guys just bear with me. So I'm just making sure I'm outlining the same things as the color of the picture, the details, in other words. And then I'm going to go in with the gold color. So making sure I'm getting enough of it to actually show. So I'm just going to put it in between of each one. So I'm just applying each one of the golds in between the red and the whites so it can stand out more. I had a hard time, but I did do the best that I could to make it stand out more. So if you want to achieve this color, it's easy to do with face paint. Trust and believe that. And it was very fun to do this look and, just have fun. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to be perfect, but at least you put your effort into doing it. So this is one of the lip combos that you guys should try for Thanksgiving. So it's giving you the candy stripe. And this is the results after. So I hope you guys did like it. And then this is the second look. So all you need is some red lipstick, and then you're just going to put some gold details on your lips. So I am using like Ruby Kisses reddish orange. This is their matte. I love it. It's very soft on my lips. And I'm going to use my face paint. I'm going to use some of that gold to showcase the detail of the gold in particular. So I'm just going in, just showing the detail. Now, it kind of tickled when I was doing it, so I'm trying not to laugh. So I'm just going to go back in. So I'm not perfect at doing the details, but I just wanted to show you guys that I was like doing a little bit of the detail so you can see it. So you can know which ones that I was doing. So if you want to try it, you definitely can. So it did like really tickle. I don't know why. I'm just a ticklish person, I guess. So I'm just going in. So this is the look. And then this is the finished look. Now this is the last look. This is kind of giving you like a reddish gold color. So I'm using my Cocoa Bean by Nicka K. It is matte because it do stain your lips and it's hard to get off. And then I mix it with some red lipstick. I mix those two colors together to achieve this look in particular. We'll try to get it as close as possible. So I just blend those two together to make it kind of stand out more. And then I'm going to go with some gold. I'm going to use my Glow Up Lip Gloss by Nicka K. I think it's called Classy. And I'm just applying it on top. So you guys can see it in the light, the gold shine. So I just applied that. And this was very easy to do. Very simple. I needed the real gold, more goldish, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and tell me which one did you guys like the best. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more, please get this video up to 100 views. See ya. Bye.